take a moment, look at this. I'm so excited about it. The sleekest it's ever been, ever. I feel beautiful. I just keep looking in the mirror and I'm ready to just stroll the city, show it off. I feel amazing with my hair being this sleek. I really love BioStrand and you should definitely try it yourself. I think you'll be just as happy, if not more, with how I feel about it.